Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix the D3D11 compatible GPU error in the Windows 10 or Windows 11. So we'll go through the step-by-step process of how we can do it. So the first thing is just go to the settings of your laptop, or just click on this Windows icon, and from here just go to settings or search settings. And once you're in the settings, you will be seeing this interface if you're on Windows 11, and if you're on Windows 10, so the interface might be a little bit different. So from here just go to the Windows update, and once you are on the Windows update, so make sure that your window is up to date, as some of the drivers might be corrupted or outdated. So just make sure to download the updates, and once your window is updated, hopefully your issue will be solved. And if you're still facing the issue, so just search your device manager, and once you're into the device manager, you will be seeing like these options. So from here just find this option called display adapters and open this. And once I open this, you will be able to see the graphic cards available. So if you have any other graphic card, as you can see, like this is my graphic card, AMD Radeon, and if you have another like built-in graphic card as well, so just right click on that one, and from that click on disable device. And once you click on disable device, just restart your laptop or PC, and after that try again, and hopefully your issue will be fixed. So these are the simple solutions that how can you fix this D3D11 compatible GPU error on Windows 10 or 11, and hopefully it solves your issue.